Hi there! Today I'd like to discuss how to prevent students from sending feedback in Google Workspace using xFanatical Safe Doc. In educational environments, maintaining control over digital tools is essential to foster a focused and safe learning experience. One feature in Google Workspace that can disrupt this control is the Send Feedback option, which allows users to submit feedback directly to Google. While useful in some contexts, students may misuse this feature to report irrelevant issues, distract themselves, or attempt to bypass administrator restrictions. By preventing students from sending feedback in these tools, administrators can minimize distractions, maintain focus in the classroom, and ensure better platform management. This is where xFanatical Safe Doc comes to the rescue. Using Safe Doc, administrators can inactivate the feedback option in Google Workspace, resulting in unnecessary feedback submissions that can disrupt the learning experience of students. Setting it up is a breeze. Go to Chrome Web Store page, search for Safe Doc, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once it is installed, by selecting the block Send Feedback policy and setting the value to True, you can block email as attachment in Google Workspace easily. To know more, please visit xfanatical.com.